Alright, so back for another video here. If you did not watch my Maverick Sport 2-year review, make sure to go back and watch that, because it is pretty good. But I would imagine if you're watching some pit bike content, you could give a shit less about a side-by-side. So anyway, here we go. Out for a little afternoon rip. Pretty damn nice outside. Just me. On a 23 KLX110 with a big Gun EVO pipe, big bars, aftermarket carburetor all jetted up to the pipe correctly. What else do we got here? I guess I can get off and stop. Look. Aftermarket shifter lever, graphics. Yeah, full pipe. Oh, and the tall BBR seat. How many hours we got on this thing? 25 hours already, wow. So yeah, this thing's a blast. You know, I'm probably, I don't know, 5'8", 2 1/4, and this thing rips. I mean, I couldn't imagine anything else more than this, so dirt bikes are crazy. I only have 7 fingers because I had some fingers ripped off in an accident, so kind of nice that there's no clutch. You can just go out and cruise and enjoy the trails, man. Always got to push it though, you know, you can never just go out and enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? You always got to climb stupid shit. Kind of like this. Nice thing is these things are so light that you could fucking go anywhere, do whatever you wanted. Ooh, there's a bug on my... Yeah. See this thing still on? Yep. It was overheating in one day, so just making sure. I just adjusted the brakes and I definitely got a lot of brake now. Not used to that. Gonna be pissed when he sees this video and he's not here. Freeway riding here, nothing totally illegal or anything, but we're fortunate to have connected trails to all this stuff. This was a construction zone. Hopefully I don't get a flat tire, but you can also ride up in the middle of the freeway. Go wheelie. Yeah. Usually go real far because, you know, you wouldn't want to get caught out here with a police officer. It's like people do though, the dirt bike trail goes far. Yeah, we're about done with this. I'll at least go this far to show you what other crazy people do. So there's ways you can get around this and take the street, but a lot of people get to the trails across the highway. Pretty sketchy. You can at least see here. You know, that's where the trail ends. Just for the hell of it today, I'm feeling fucking froggy. Let's rip it. Let's cross the freeway. Yeah! not have ground clearance. We still on? Yeah. Look at my legs. That's the only problem. Kind of lucky that this has kickstart because I left the key on for like the last 3 weeks and it didn't start, but fired right up with the old kickstart. Trail backwards. Maybe not the best choice to do by yourself. So I don't know if you can see that down there, but we're going to go up that here in a few minutes. So I'm going to take a little quick break and we'll be back. Okay, so although I had all plans of going up that, I'm not going to. It's getting late, so I'm just going to turn around, recross the freeway. My wife's coming home, so we'll try to get a little good footage on the way back here. Maybe hit that hill next time, but on these little dirt bikes, man. They are sketchy. You get going fast, man, you could get messed up. Alright, so we'll see how this goes. I'm a little more sketched out going down than I am up. You know, up you can wait and just cross. Well, down, as soon as you get down, that's it. Not really the best role model and choice here. Okay. Now, there's hopefully no police, and we are golden. Yeah, buddy. Riding down the freeway! Terrible idea. Don't ever do that. Watching this that owns a pit bike, you know, normally I think you just get a pipe for, oh shit, you see that? That was a groundhog. So I think you just get a pipe for the sound, really, you know, maybe the looks, but man, did the pipe really wake the pit bike up. I mean, it feels like double the throttle response with the pipe on it. some lady was waiting in her car. I mean, you know, we just drive through this trail, and as you can see, workers come through and back on these trails, you know, in machines. So it's not like we're fucking the yard up. So we're riding through here, and some lady stops in her car down there. And she gets her phone out, and she starts recording us. So we go back in the trail, wait a few minutes, we come back out, and the lady's gone. So we turn right here, and we leave, and the lady waited in a parking lot and followed us. You know, we made a couple wrong moves here and there to come back home, and the lady followed us all around the block, like cutting corners, trying to speed up. Super weird.